In agriculture, every day brings about new challenges. Farmers need machines that are strong, smart, and ready for anything. Across the world, one machine continues to lead as a true partner in agricultural progress, the JCB backhoe loader. Whether you're preparing land, handling materials, digging trenches, or loading crops, the JCB backhoe loader provides unmatched versatility to the job site. And among the many machines shaping the land, only one question remains: why JCB?
The 6-in-1 shovel turns the JCB backhoe loader into the most versatile loading tool on the farm.
With a rated lifting capacity of up to 3,495 kilograms, the JCB backhoe loader loads faster and lifts more, able to fill a 20-ton truck in under 6 minutes.
For farm operations, that means quicker land clearing,
Faster transport loading, and more efficient farm-to-market crop movement. Agricultural terrain is unpredictable, but the JCB backhoe loader handles rough, soft, uneven farm roads with ease. With a transport speed of up to 40 kilometers an hour and four-wheel drive, the operator can get to the next field, irrigation site, or storage area faster, cutting downtime and improving daily farm efficiency. When the job calls for excavation, the JCB backhoe loader works at the pace the farm demands. Thanks to the high-performance excavator end, operators can extract and shift up to 190 tons of material per hour. Large capacity buckets up to 0.48 cubic meters make irrigation trenching, canal shaping, waterhole creation, and soil removal faster and more efficient. Agricultural fields often mean soft, muddy, or unstable ground. Center mount stabilizers on the JCB backhoe loader deliver superior stability. This ensures safer and steadier excavation when working on irrigation channels, drainage ditches, livestock ponds, or wetland preparation. In agriculture, every minute matters. With the JCB backhoe loader, you get a machine built to keep you moving, keep you productive, and keep you ahead. When you choose a JCB backhoe loader, you're choosing power, reliability, and performance that work as hard as you do. These powerful machines are designed to load, road, and excavate. JCB, the world's #1 backhoe loader, perfect for land clearing, rural infrastructure development, and farm-to-market roads.